In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up contact details in Insightly. This step-by-step process will make managing your contacts easier and help you efficiently utilize Insightly's capabilities. So, let's delve right in and get started. First, you'll need to open up your preferred browser. In the search bar, type in Insightly and hit Enter. This should take you directly to the Insightly homepage. Enter your credentials on the login page, and you'll be granted access to your Insightly dashboard, where the real work begins. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand navigation bar. Here, you have several options laid out for you, but for this tutorial, you need to zero in on the Contacts tab. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a new screen dedicated to managing and organizing all your contact information. Now that you're on the Contacts page, look towards the right side of the screen. You should see a button labeled New Contact. Give that a click. This simple action will open up a new contact record where you can start the process of adding a contact who can be crucial to your network. When you're in the contact record, you'll want to focus on the essentials first. At the very least, you should provide the contact's name and email. These two pieces of information are pivotal for ensuring that communication lines are kept open and easily accessible. However, Insightly offers you the flexibility to include more than just the basics. If you have additional information such as phone numbers, mailing addresses, or even social media profiles, these can be included as well. Adding as many details as possible will enrich your contact database, allowing you to have all necessary information at your fingertips whenever you need it. Once you've carefully entered all the information you have, it's time to save your work. Look for the prominent blue Save button. Clicking this button will finalize the creation of your new contact record, ensuring that all the details you've just input are securely stored within Insightly. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully added a new contact to Insightly. Remember, keeping your contact list updated and filled with detailed information can significantly improve your workflow and communication efficiency. Updating and managing contact details might seem like a small task, but it's one that can have a big impact on your overall productivity. Thank you for watching this tutorial on setting up contact details in Insightly. I hope you found it helpful and that it makes managing your contacts a breeze. Stay tuned for more tutorials that aim to simplify your workflows and enhance your productivity.